topic to create awareness among people. This is a picture of a crab. The pain that is possessed by a crab is the same pain possessed by cancer patients. So the word cancer was derived from crab. But people know cancer is a deadly disease, but they don't really know what exactly is cancer, what happens inside the body. Like human cells have a defined growth. One cell divides into two and two cells divide into four and they stop for a certain period. But these cells continuously they'll be dividing and they won't have stopping limit. So these cells will form lumps and these lumps are known as tumors. And these tumors are of two types. There are two types of tumors. One is a benign tumor and malignant tumor. This is a benign tumor, this is a malignant tumor. A benign tumor is more regular in shape than a malignant tumor. That is why a malignant tumor spreads to all parts of the body and a benign does not. Also, if the malignant tumor gets into the DNA structure, then cancer can also be caused by inheritance. So cancer can also be caused by inheritance if malignant tumor gets into DNA structure. Like these are flat cells, these are normal, but when the cells are bulging, so it's transformed. These are bulging shapes. So there are different types of cancer. Every living cell in the body has a kind of cancer. Skin cancer. So in this skin cancer, you have patches, rashes upon your skin. And another is leukemia. Leukemia is known as blood cancer. So when this malignant tumor gets to all parts of the body, many cancers are formed. There is brain cancer. When messages cannot reach the body, there is also lung cancer. That is the most primitive cancer of today. This is caused by carcinoma agents like alcohol and tobacco, and it affects the whole of the lung. Here is a picture of a cell. It's a tumor formed in lung, showing that because of excessive use of smoking, here a tumor is formed which is damaging the lung. It has nicotine and tar are the normal one we know, but besides nicotine and tar there are other 40,000 chemicals which are affecting. And another point, also pesticides, the chemical by which pesticides is made also causes cancer, like that picture. When they are spraying pesticides, also cancer comes out of that. Also by radiation, phone radiation, the rays of the phone and the rays of the RF cause cancer when they get hold to the brain. This is oral cancer. This white patch, it is known as leukoplakia, and it is like a kind of binding sheet. And if it comes between your upper jaw and lower jaw, it will bind those jaws so firmly that you can't even open your mouth to keep two fingers. Like this man can't keep two fingers in his mouth. So mouth is the main organ from where the liquids and solids pass in the body. So when he's not able to keep two fingers, how will he pass others? Items in the body. So the same thing with ladies. Also in ladies, leukoplakia can come from up sheet to down sheet, and in that way your mouth cannot open to its extreme. And these are different types of leukoplakia causing oral cancer. By keeping a pan in your mouth or the tissues in the cheek are eaten up, and from in such a structure is created, and from outside like this structure is created. It shows you that from 100% of survival, there is like around 20% survival for a cancer patient. In first and second stage, no symptoms are there. In third and fourth stage, symptoms are shown, and there is 20% survival. Also in that survival, if by mistake you survive, if you are lucky and you survive, then you will go for example chemotherapy. There will be side effects. You will lose your hair. Also, if you lose your hair and maybe they grow back, the whole body hair will be lost in that 20% survival by chemotherapy. Also, if you regain your hair, then there is also a reoccurrence stage. If by mistake one or half a cell is also left of cancer, then they will keep on multiplying, and again you can get reoccurrence. Here is a video on what happens when the cigarette smoke passes inside the lung. See, like the healthy lungs are now having cigarette smoke. They're becoming black. These are air sacs, alveoli. So when normal air is passing, they will be like this. But now the smoke has passed in them. So they will completely be formed from their shapes. So even from alveoli, everything is affected. And then the lung shows like this pictures, damage. And instead of trapping oxygen, because lungs don't know that this is oxygen or this is tobacco, abruptly they'll be trapping the tobacco inside, and it will mix with blood, and there is also a chance by these heart attacks are got. Also leukemia, there is blood cancer.
Good. What's your name?
Gulnar. Gulnar.
Gulnar.
Yes.
And what's your
Khushbu. Khushbu.
Khushbu. Okay. And which school you have come from?
Platinum Jubilee High School, Warangal district.
Very wonderful. Nice meeting you both guys.
Thank you, sir.
And,
Pleasure to meet you too.
And in fact, what's your ambition?
To become an author and astronaut.
How about you?
I want to also be author, psychiatrist, and kind of want to be an astronaut, but it's not a complete goal. Still going on.
Oh, wonderful. Keep it up. Keep it up. And yeah, that's good. Good observation and good presentation. I'm very satisfied with your presentation.
Thank you,
and
sir.
you made it so nice, PPT, right? Wonderful. That's more important. You know the subject knowledge, and you also know how to present it.
Thank you, sir.
If
Just a small model here. No, actually,
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
it's for creating awareness among people,
Okay.
so that they can know what is practically happening inside their body. Because
Yeah.
many just take it as a fashion, today's youth, but they just take it to show that okay, we are taking in alcohol or something. But exactly what is its practical image on the body, that is what should be shown.
Wow, so nice.
So that's
So
why we have
nice.
chosen this topic.
So you haven't asked me a question the kind of questions I asked. You haven't asked me the questions.
Like, if you have any doubts, you can ask us.
Okay.
No, we should ask you, you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay, what is cancer? Did you understand? Can you
yes.
just tell me?
I can answer you. Uncontrolled growth of cell is a cancer.
Yes.
So how many marks you gave me?
Okay, you can get out of 10, you can get 9.5.
My God, good. Okay.
What kind of tumors are formed?
Oh, I forgot the
Two
name.
tumors. That is
Okay.
because you can easily remember it. Because one tumor doesn't spread at all. It will stay at its original site.
Okay, what are the kind of questions I asked?
You were asking which school are we from, what are our names, what is our aim, and what are we. Can I know your designation, please?
Oh, yeah. And I appreciated some things like, what is that?
Explanation and the PowerPoint presentation.
Yes. And you haven't asked me a question. Why do you take this video?
Which video? You're going to display it or maybe something like that?
Guess what?
I think it's something like a website. I thought
Wow.
internet? I
Yes.
just guessed.
My goodness, you both are tremendous.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you, sir.
Oh,